This programme of works really is huge in scale. We're talking about 2 different ocean basins separated by the whole continent of Australia, teams working simultaneously to achieve the scientific outputs of ACRI. It's formed with 2 complementary projects. The Woppaburra or Keppel Islands Coral Project in the Great Barrier Reef is looking at the coral reseeding techniques, particularly the early life stages of the coral, and overcoming some of the hurdles that they encounter in those early life stages. Whereas Reef Song, centred around the Ningaloo Reef in WA, is looking at fish and how they complement coral growth and survival. It's really a world first, using acoustics to attract juvenile fish to reefs and seeing the interaction and the way they contribute to future coral growths and promoting healthy reefs. This project is a national endeavour. Our collaborations with traditional owners improves the management of the local area and contributes to better social net benefits for all communities.